Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing some amazing skincare products I just picked up from Sephora. If you love self-care, hydration, and that glowing skin vibe, then you're in the right place. Let's get into it. First up, we have the Lunar New Year bag, a little bonus from Sephora. I always love these little freebies because they usually come with deluxe samples or limited edition packaging. Super cute. Here are the samples that I got. A sweet floral burst with almond and rhubarb. Light, fun, and totally wearable. Warm, floral, and sophisticated. K-beauty at its finest and boosts radiance effortlessly. This toner smooths, brightens, and leaves skin baby soft. Lightweight, ultra hydrating, and perfect for everyday moisture. Luxury hair care that repairs, strengthens, and leaves hair silky smooth. Simple, hydrating, and perfect for everyday moisture at budget-friendly price. Locks brows in place all day with a natural, non-crunchy hold. Rich yet lightweight. Hydrates, soothes, and protects your skin barrier. Strengthens, repairs, and leaves hair feeling salon fresh. Since I have locks, I'm very excited to see how these products will work on my hair. Light, breathable coverage with a healthy glow. Perfect for no makeup days. I love my Rare Beauty liquid blush, so I'm excited to see how these samples play out. Sun protection meets skincare. Hydrating, glowy, and effortlessly blendable. I've been seeing this brand everywhere, so I'm excited to try it and let you know how it works. Full coverage, flawless finish. Brightens and corrects in just one swipe. I've heard amazing things about the Huda Beauty concealer, so I'm really excited to try this in addition to color correcting under my eyes. I normally don't color correct, but I'm really excited to play out with color theory, so this will give me a great opportunity to try. I also love that they gave me a bunch of different color shades to try because they didn't know what my shade was, but I do. So I'm gonna mix and try and blend and see what works. Next, we have the Topicals Like Butter Moisturizer. This is a rich, soothing moisturizer, perfect for dry, sensitive, and eczema-prone skin. It's packed with good-for-you ingredients to help calm irritation and lock in hydration. Plus, the packaging is super cute. I've tried this product before and I really love it, so I'm really excited that I was able to restock. And yeah, I'm gonna let you know how it goes over continued usage. Moving on, we've got the Saie Tinted Beauty Luxury Sun Ritual Sunscreen SPF 30. That was a mouthful. But this isn't just any sunscreen. It's a pore smoothing formula that hydrates while protecting your skin. It's packed with nourishing ingredients, so if you want skincare benefits along with your SPF, this is one for you. Also, you can use it as a primer for the girlies who love to do their makeup. I love this sunscreen, so I definitely had to restock. Next, we have the Laneige Cica. Nah, that's definitely Cica sleeping mask. This is a nighttime mask designed to help you support your skin's moisture barrier. If you have sensitive or dry skin like me, this is a great way to wake up with a plump, hydrated face. I love how Laneige always nails their hydration in their products, so I'm excited to try this mask. That wraps up today's unboxing. See you in the next one.